Welcome to our channel, where we share the most informative content to enhance your experience. Today, we're going to explore the top 15 incredible health benefits of drinking clove and ginger tea, how to prepare it, best time to drink, and its potential side effects. So, let's dive into these. At number 1 is digestive comfort. Cloves can help alleviate bloating and gas. Ginger aids digestion by reducing nausea and indigestion. Together, they soothe the digestive system, making it easier to process meals. Number 2 is anti-inflammatory power. Cloves contain eugenol, offering anti-inflammatory properties. Gingerol in ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Together, they create a tea that can reduce inflammation in the body, thereby easing conditions like arthritis. Number 3 is immune system boost. Rich in antioxidants, cloves strengthen the immune system. Ginger also contains antioxidants. Together, they provide a powerful boost to your immune defenses, helping protect against free radicals. Number 4 is pain relief. Eugenol in cloves has analgesic, pain-relieving properties. Ginger can alleviate muscle pain and soreness. Combined, they offer natural pain relief, making the tea soothing for various discomforts. Number 5 is respiratory support. Cloves possess antimicrobial properties. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can ease respiratory discomfort. Together, they create a tea that provides relief from colds, coughs, and congestion. Number 6 is oral health. Cloves' natural antiseptic properties support oral hygiene. Ginger helps reducing harmful oral bacteria. Together, they contribute to better oral health and fresher breath. Number 7 is blood sugar management. Studies suggest cloves helps regulating blood sugar levels. Ginger can improve insulin sensitivity. Together, they assist in managing blood sugar, beneficial for those with diabetes. Number 8 is weight management. Ginger's thermogenic properties boost metabolism. Cloves can help regulate appetite. Together, they support weight management when combined with a balanced diet and exercise. Number 9 is stress reduction. The soothing aroma of cloves promotes relaxation. Ginger's potential mood-enhancing properties contribute to stress relief. Together, they create a calming tea that eases stress and tension. Number 10 is Antioxidant Synergy. Cloves are rich in antioxidants. Ginger also contains various antioxidants. Together, they provide a potent dose of these compounds, helping protect cells from oxidative damage and promoting overall health. Number 11 is skin health. Antioxidants in cloves can rejuvenate the skin. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help in improving skin conditions. Together, they promote a healthy complexion. Number 12 is anti-nausea. Cloves can alleviate nausea. Ginger is renowned for its anti-nausea effects. Together, they create a powerful remedy for nausea, whether due to morning sickness or motion sickness. Number 13 is heart health. Some research suggests cloves help reducing blood pressure. Ginger can lower cholesterol levels. Together, they support heart health. Number 14 is improved circulation. Ginger can dilate blood vessels, potentially improving blood flow. Cloves can contribute to better circulation. Together, they enhance blood circulation throughout the body. And finally, at number 15 is allergy relief. Cloves' anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce allergy symptoms. Ginger's ability to ease inflammation can also alleviate allergy discomfort. Together, they provide relief for seasonal allergies. Now let's go through how to make the clove and ginger tea. Ingredients are 1 to 2 cloves, adjust to taste, 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 to 2 cups of water, and the optional are honey, lemon, or your preferred sweetener. Process to make is: if using fresh ginger, peel the ginger root and slice it into thin pieces. You can also use ginger powder. If using whole cloves, you can either leave them whole or lightly crush them to release more flavor and aroma. Place 1 to 2 cups of water in a pot or kettle and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add the cloves and ginger to the boiling water. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the flavors of the ginger and cloves to infuse into the water. After simmering, remove the pot from heat and strain the tea into a cup or teapot. You can use a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser to separate the liquid from the solids. If you prefer your tea sweet, you can add honey, lemon, or your preferred sweetener to taste. Stir until it's well mixed. Serve your clove and ginger tea hot and savor its delightful flavor and potential health benefits. Remember, feel free to adjust the quantity of cloves and ginger to suit your taste preferences. Some people like their tea stronger and spicier, while others prefer a milder flavor. Now let's talk about the best time to drink clove and ginger tea. It can vary depending on your personal preferences and the specific benefits you're seeking. Here are some recommendations for when to enjoy this aromatic and potentially beneficial tea. Number 1 is morning. Drinking clove and ginger tea in the morning can be a great way to kickstart your day. It can help with digestion and provide a natural energy boost due to the stimulating properties of ginger. It can also provide a refreshing start to your day. Number 2 is after meals. Many people prefer to have this tea after meals to aid in digestion. The combination of cloves and ginger can help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and gas. Having a cup of tea 15 to 30 minutes after a meal can be beneficial. Number 3 is as a snack. If you're looking for a healthy and soothing snack, a cup of clove and ginger tea can be a satisfying option between meals. It's calorie-free and can help curb your appetite. Number 4 is before bed. Some individuals find that a warm cup of clove and ginger tea before bedtime helps promote relaxation and can be part of a bedtime routine. It's caffeine-free, making it suitable for evening consumption. Number 5 is when feeling under the weather. If you're experiencing symptoms of a cold or respiratory discomfort, drinking clove and ginger tea throughout the day can help soothe your throat and provide relief from congestion. In this case, it's beneficial to drink the tea as needed. Number 6 is stress relief. If you're using clove and ginger tea for its potential stress-reducing properties, consider having a cup during moments of stress or tension to help calm your nerves. Number 7 is before or after exercise. Ginger, known for its potential to reduce muscle pain and soreness, can be consumed before or after exercise to support your workout routine and help with recovery. While clove and ginger tea offers numerous health benefits when consumed in moderation, excessive consumption or sensitivity to certain compounds may lead to potential side effects for some individuals. 1. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Ginger, in particular, can be quite spicy, and consuming it in excess may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, including heartburn, gas, or an upset stomach. If you experience any of these symptoms, consider reducing the amount of ginger in your tea or discontinuing use. Number 2. Allergic reactions. While rare, some individuals may be allergic to cloves or ginger. Allergic reactions can include skin rashes, itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you suspect an allergy, discontinue use and seek medical attention. Number 3. Blood thinning effect. Ginger has a mild blood thinning effect, which can be beneficial for some but could potentially interact with certain medications or medical conditions. If you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin or have a bleeding disorder, consult your healthcare provider before consuming ginger in large amounts. Number 4. Interaction with medications. Both cloves and ginger may interact with certain medications. If you're taking medications for conditions like diabetes, hypertension, or blood clotting disorders, it's essential to talk to your healthcare provider before adding large quantities of cloves or ginger to your diet. Number 5. Heartburn or acid reflux. Ginger's spiciness can exacerbate heartburn or acid reflux symptoms in some individuals. If you have a history of these conditions, monitor your body's response and consider reducing ginger content if necessary. Number 6. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. While ginger is generally considered safe during pregnancy for most women, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before consuming ginger in large amounts or as a supplement during pregnancy or while breastfeeding. Cloves should be consumed in moderation during pregnancy. Number 7. Drug interactions. Cloves and ginger may interact with various medications, including anticoagulants, antiplatelet drugs, and some anti-diabetic medications. Consult your healthcare provider if you're concerned about potential interactions. Number 8. Mouth and throat sensitivity. Cloves have a strong flavor, and consuming them in excess can lead to mouth and throat sensitivity or a numbing sensation. Remember, to minimize the risk of side effects, start with a moderate quantity of cloves and ginger in your tea and gradually adjust based on your body's response. If you have specific health concerns or are taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making clove and ginger tea a regular part of your diet. As with any herbal remedy, individual reactions may vary, and it's best to enjoy clove and ginger tea as part of a balanced diet and lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy.